Hi friends, let's take our spelling pretest together. So this week we have a lot of words that have an sound in them. Who remembers what letter makes that sound like up? Like up is the letter U. U makes that sound like up. So, as we are listening to these spelling words, be listening for that sound because we know the letter that makes that sound. All right, friends, on your spelling pretest up in the corner, make sure to write your name. Use your very best printing. Start your name with a capital letter and then make sure all the other letters are lowercase. And remember, anytime you need to, you can always push pause and take as much time as you need. All right, let's get started. All right, number 1. Your first word is run. Let's do this one together. Let's listen for the sounds. N. I heard 3 sounds, so we need how many letters? 3. All right, I heard an first. Would be the letter R. Good. That's right. Would be that letter U. That one we talked about, like up. There's the word run. Very nice. Put a smiley face next to it. All right, let's do the rest of these. Number 2, the word is fun. Fun. I had fun at my grandparents' house. Fun. All right, number 3, remember you can push pause if you need more time. Number 3 is nut. Nut. The squirrel grabbed a nut from the tree. Nut. Number 4 is cut. Cut. I can cut my paper with the scissors. Cut. All right, number 5, bug. Bug. The little bug crawled across the floor. Bug. Number 6 is rug. Rug. I put a rug underneath the table. Rug. All right, now we have some sight words. Number 7 is could. Could. Could you go outside and play? Could. All right, and our last word is one. One. I see one dog out my window. One. All right, friends, push pause if you need more time. All right, let's look at these words. Number 2 was fun. I heard fun. That's how we spell it. F-U-N. If you got it right, you can put a little smiley face. If not, that's okay. Just write it up above so that you know how to spell it. Fun. All right, number 3 is nut. Nut. I heard nut. All right, you can put a smiley face if you got it right. If not, that's okay. Just write it above. All right, number 4 was cut. Cut. Great job sounding out. You can put a smiley face if you got it right, or you can write it above if you need to practice it. All right, number 5 was bug. Bug. I heard g, bug. Nice job. You can put a smiley face if you got it right, or you can write it up above. Number 6 was rug. G, rug. R-U-G. Great job, friends. All right, number 7, super tricky. It's the word could. I could go outside and play. Or could you hand me that? Could. So we hear a k. That's the C. Here's the tricky part. I hear an There's an O and a U. And then here's the super tricky part. There's an L. That's funny. Do we hear the O sound in could? Nope, but there's an L in it. There it is. C-O-U-L. And what's at the end? Could. D. Super tricky word. It won't trick us by the end of the week. You can do it with lots of practice. So just go ahead and write it up above how we spell it correctly. You're doing great. All right, and the last one is the word one, like the number 1. So when I spell 1, it sounds like a w, a W. It actually starts with an O. What? There's an N. And then there's an E at the end. If I cover up that E, what does it say? On. That's right. The word one starts just like on, and then we put an E at the end. We can turn on into one. Great job, friends. You guys did a nice job following along. Give yourself a smiley face up at the top of your page. All right, keep practicing these words this week, and we'll take our test on Friday.